Okay, today we're here at Castle Park for their Halloween event called Castle Dark. And I went to Duke's Frying Factory and got the jack-o'-lantern, which is a deep-fried peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And I did get their Castle Dark tasting card for $39.99. And so you get 8 items on here. And that includes alcoholic beverages, too. So they did put a jack-o'-lantern face on it. Okay. It tastes the jelly. Yeah, that's peanut butter. I'm not sure if they use like a Uncrustable or they actually made a little peanut butter and jelly sandwich and then battered it and deep fried it. Yeah, if you like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, this one's actually pretty good. And then the face on it makes it even more better with the decorations. So let's see. So this is actually really good if you like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. And deep frying makes everything better, right? So I think I'm gonna get this one too. It's only $5 on the card, and it's actually pretty large and thick too, and cute. So, anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell, and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm gonna take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.